blast of air is powerful fun. And now, the most powerful force in the world, wind power, is inside Wham-O's Air Blaster. Unbelievable, but true. You blast out the air and the target breaks up. Draw in the wind with the air compression lever and blow out candles across the room. It's invisible, this magic power to surprise, to tease. Yes, the Air Blaster's fun for all the family. It makes you laugh and love it. You have the power of the wind in your own hands. The amazing power to hit any target up to 40 feet away, safely, accurately, with free ammunition, invisible air. Wham-O's Air Blaster was invented to delight your friends in 1,000 ways. And with your Air Blaster, you get this gorilla target and 4 weird monster targets. Own an Air Blaster and you own the power of the wind. Get your hurricane gun, the mighty, the astonishing Air Blaster. Sold everywhere for the fun of it by Wham-O.